Construction projects don't fail because people don't work hard. They fail because communication breaks down. Timelines get lost, teams become disconnected. I'm George, president of Constant Builder, and I saw a major problem in the construction industry. Great contractors were losing time, money, and control because the right systems simply didn't exist. Most construction teams still rely on disconnected tools, spreadsheets, calls, messages, manual updates, and when communication breaks down, projects slow down. We built Constant Builder to simplify construction management, a platform where contractors can plan smarter, communicate better, and stay in control in real time. Because construction should move forward with clarity, not chaos. Our mission is to help general contractors build faster, smarter, and with confidence. This is just the beginning. Welcome to Constant Builder.